Greetings! My name is Mitchell, and here is a brief look at a project I've been working on. I am currently calling it a Boolean puzzle maker, but I do plan to come up with a better name for it later. This is a very early release. It was inspired by Robot Odyssey, one of my favorite nerdy computer games from the 1980s. There have been a few spiritual successors to that already, but this is merely my own attempt, that I started back in 2005. With it, you'll learn how basic computer circuitry works. You can peer inside chips like this and see what's in them. In this case, it's an attempt at building a four-way flip-flop, and there could be plenty of other types of logic circuits to experiment with. But ultimately, you'll be designing and solving Boolean logic puzzles. In this case, we have to retrieve an object from this room, but we can't click on it directly. However, we have two robots who can work together to do this for us. The first one just needs to collide with a button to open the door. Perhaps it will send a signal when it reaches the wall, so the other bot knows when to go. So let's wire that up. Now, let's look at the other bot. I know the screen flicker is bad, I'll have to fix that later. First thing to do is have it grab any object it runs into. As far as its thrusters are concerned, we want it to move left when it gets a signal, then move right after it grabs the object. Let's wire that up too with some logic gates and stuff. When we turn the power on, we can see if it worked. Yay, we did it! These are some more components placed in a Rube Goldberg style arrangement. Perhaps we'll cover all these things some other time. I'm only giving this pre-release alpha version to a few people. You can contact me here with any questions or comments you might have. Thank you.